Good morning, everyone. I'm Felipa. Welcome back to the course Food Waste Management. Today, we will conclude the study unit Circular Economy Principle and Sustainable Practice in Food System. The final lesson is about integrated food system planning and organic waste recycling. We will discuss the concept and principle of integrated food system planning, organic waste recycling in circular food system. Role of stakeholders in integrated food system planning and integrated strategy for sustainable food system development. Integrated food system planning approach coordinate all stages of the food system under a unified sustainability framework, responding to environmental pressure, urban growth, circular economy goals, and climate risk. The principle of integrated planning includes system thinking, which means the food system is considered as interconnected network where action in one area can affect the other area. Holistic sustainability incorporates environmental, social, and economic goals into decision making. In multi-stakeholder collaboration, farmers, food processor, policymaker, and community collaborate with each other to share solutions. Circularity and resource efficiency promotes nutrients cycling, waste valorization, and regenerative practice. Spatial integration and land use alignment coordinate agriculture, urban planning, transport, and waste system. And finally, equity, health, and nutrition ensure access to nutritious, affordable food and support public health. The integrated food system planning can give environmental benefit by reducing waste, emission, and resource impact while restoring ecosystem. It also gives economic benefit because it strengthens local economy, improve logistics, and lower inefficiency and waste costs. And it also confers social benefit because it improves food security, community engagement, and resilience to disruption. In circular food system, organic waste is not considered as just a waste to be disposed of, but as valuable resources that support nutrient cycling, soil regeneration, renewable energy, and new bio-based products. Some we have discussed in a previous lesson some of these pathways like composting, which is aerobic decomposition that produce soil enhancing organic matter, which is called compost. Vermicomposting, in which the earthworm is used to digest and break down the organic waste into vermicast, and anaerobic digestion, which produce biogas and digest it for fertilizers. The other option are biochar production, in which the pyrolysis create carbon-rich material for soil amendment, and it can also give climate benefit because biochar has the capability of carbon sequestration. The black sodium fly bioconversion is a method in which the larvae digest and convert waste into high protein feed and fertilizer. And finally, industrial symbiosis. Uh, the waste and byproduct in one industry can become the input for other industry. Organic waste recycling offer a lot of benefit. For the environmental benefit, it cuts methane emission, improve soil, and support carbon sequestration. For economic benefit, it reduces disposal costs, generated revenue from compost energy, and new product from the valorization. And finally, it can contribute to social benefit by engaging community, supporting local sustainability, and strengthening food security. Every stakeholder have a specific role in integrated food system planning. In particular, farmers have the role of implementing regenerative practice, manage nutrients flows, use recycle amendment, and contribute practical knowledge to planning because in effect they are the ones that directly participate in the primary production. Food industry and retail can contribute by reducing waste through forecasting and packaging improvement, supporting recycling via source separation, and enabling circular loop through partnership. Municipality and policymaker can help because they can develop waste system, set regulation, and provide incentive, integrate food into climate and land use policy, and finally support cross-sector coordination. Civil society and consumer can contribute by promoting awareness, participating in community program, adopting sustainable consumption habit, and supporting organic waste separation and recycling. There are some integrated strategy for sustainable food system development. For example, the circular bioeconomy model, which transform organic waste into biofertilizers, bioplastic, feed, or energy. It can promote the innovation and local economic development. Also, it strengthens long-term resilience. Urban food system integration is another strategy which connects city with surrounding region to nutrient recycling, composting, anaerobic digestion, and urban agriculture. This model enhances food security and climate resilience. And finally, we have industrial symbiosis, which we have just been mentioned previously some minutes ago. Uh, it supports cross-industry collaboration where byproducts become input, reducing waste, improving efficiency, and creating closed-loop resource recycles. So, small change in how we produce, use, and manage food can make a big difference. Every step, even small step towards security matters. I hope this study unit inspire you to apply circular and sustainable practice in everyday activity and also professional context. Thank you for joining me in this chapter. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Goodbye.